What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, and welcome back to another property tour episode. I'm excited about this week's tour. I'm excited about every week's tour, to be honest, but this week in particular because it takes us back to Miami Beach, South Beach to be specific, where it's been some time that I haven't shot a property tour video here. So it goes without saying that when I was presented this listing of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on West Avenue, I took it without even thinking twice. And from the second that I stepped into this place, I knew that the property had a great value proposition. So to start, the entire property has been tastefully renovated. And as you will see, the furnishings really add to the style and feel of the space. Of course, as the saying goes, location, location, location. And this rental property definitely has a location going for it. Located in the South Bay Club condominium, it is perfectly positioned on the west side of Miami Beach, which faces Biscayne Bay and offers great walkability to popular hotspots like Sunset Harbor, Lincoln Road, and of course south of 5th. This fully furnished 2-bedroom rental comes in at a spacious 1150 square feet and is listed for rent for just $4,700 per month. So let's get started with today's property tour, and as always, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for more weekly Miami real estate content, and gently tap on that like button to help support me and the growth of this channel. And with that being said, let's get started and enjoy.
Thank you for making it this far. Remember that if you'd like to continue to see more Miami real estate property tour videos, you can always click on the playlist or any of the videos that are going to pop here on screen. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour and Miami real estate content. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. Take care and God bless.